What is this?
Priority road.
What is this?
End of priority road.
What is this?
Traffic signal.
What is this?
Stop.
What is this?
Give way.
What is this?
No entry.
What is this?
No waiting.
What is this?
No overtaking.
What is this?
Wild animals.
What is this?
Falling rocks.
What is this?
Slippery road.
What is this?
Uneven road.
What is this?
Hump.
What is this?
Straight prohibited.
What is this?
One way.
What is this?
Horn prohibited.
What is this?
Pedestrians prohibited.
What is this?
Cycle prohibited.
What is this?
Right turn prohibited.
What is this?
Left turn prohibited.
What is this?
U-turn prohibited.
What is this?
Trucks prohibited.
What is this?
Narrow road.
What is this?
Road widens.
What is this?
Side road left.
What is this?
Side road right.
What is this?
Roundabout.
What is this?
Children crossing.
What is this?
Railway crossing.
What is this?
Road closed.
What is this?
Parking lot.
What is this?
No parking.
What is this?
No automobiles.
What is this?
Pedestrian crossing.
What is this?
T-intersection.
What is this?
Y-intersection.
What is this?
Two-way.
What is this?
Crossroad.
What is this?
Turn right.
What is this?
Keep left.
What is this?
Double curve.
What is this?
Speed limit.